What is AUKUS? AUKUS is a newly signed trilateral security partnership between US, UK and Australia. This was signed on Thursday, and as the name suggests, AUKUS is an acronym for Australia, UK and US. Now, this security arrangement is going to entail transfer of technology of nuclear propulsion and the supply of 8 nuclear submarines to Australia. Now, this has been seen in a big way, a move to counter the hegemonic designs of China in Pacific and South China Sea. Now, earlier Australia till now did not have any nuclear submarines. Now, if we understand the concept of nuclear submarines, they are of two types. First is the nuclear powered submarine. This means that the submarine has got a nuclear reactor which entails it to move stealthily in the deep seas for a long distance without getting detected. The other, and this is called SSN. SSN means submarine ship nuclear. The other types of nuclear submarine is which has got a nuclear weapon, and that is called SSBN. While launching this security arrangement, the US President Joe Biden made it very clear that they are going to transfer the technology only related to nuclear propulsion. But one more aspect which is very important, which we need to keep in mind, is so far America had transferred this nuclear technology only to UK and none other countries. So at this stage of transferring this nuclear propulsion technology to Australia, its ally, it's of great significance, and it's being seen, this arrangement is being seen as an arrangement to counter China's presence in Pacific or growing influence in Pacific and South China Sea. Now, coming to the aspect of how the world reacted to it. Of course, France was very unhappy with this deal because France had earlier signed a deal almost around $70 billion for supply of conventional submarines to Australia, which now stands cancelled because in the next 18 months this arrangement will provide 8 nuclear powered submarines to Australia. So, of course, signed a deal almost around $70 billion for supply of conventional submarines to Australia, which now stands cancelled because in the next 18 months this arrangement will provide 8 nuclear powered submarines to Australia. So, of course, France is livid because it has lost a big deal as far as supply of submarines is concerned. There have also been reactions from New Zealand, because New Zealand does not like the region to have nuclear submarines. So, the reaction of New Zealand was also negative on this. Now, coming to as far as India is concerned, this AUKUS does not give any hindrance to Quad, another arrangement in which, in the context of AUKUS, AUKUS is going to give a fillip to Royal Australian Navy the capability of going into South China Sea, where China is getting aggressive day by day. Now, China and Australia have been one of the very large trading partners. However, in the last few years, the relations have soured, and in fact, Australia pulled out of the Malabar naval exercise since 2017. So, this supply of nuclear technology to Australia is being seen in a big way to thwart China's presence in this area. Now, coming to the question of how does India react to it? You will be all aware that India is already signatory to the Quad arrangement, that is between US, Japan, Australia and India. Now, Quad is likely to give a kind of contain China's economic hegemony in this area, economic dominance in this area. So, this being a military arrangement is being seen to complement Quad, so that both combined can contain China's growing influence. Hence, as far as India is concerned, as of now, the formation of AUKUS is only seen as a welcome move as far as India is concerned. So, I hope you've understood the concept of AUKUS and how it is going to influence us, influence the world and the strategic relations therein. So, all eyes will be now to watch how this military arrangement or strategic partnership works out in the next 18 months. What all other weapons are provided to Australian defence forces to augment them, and how does it help in contain China? If that was one of the subtle reasons for the creation of this partnership, how does it contain it and what effect does India have? We will have to wait and watch. But as of now, it is a welcome move and it is going to give India on a broader strategic perspective an advantage.